Bruce Lee says, be like water. Let's think about what he means by that. Have you ever watched water flow? It finds its way, adapting, moving, no matter the obstacle. That's the power of adaptability. We've talked about aligning our beliefs. We've talked about our desires. But here's the thing. Life isn't a straight path. We face curveballs, roadblocks, obstacles, family issues, all types of things. But what if I told you that the secret isn't avoiding these obstacles, but adapting to them? True achievement lies in our ability to bend, not break. I want you to think about your greatest challenges. Weren't they also some of your biggest teachers? You know, it's time that we embrace adaptability. Be like water. Let's learn and grow and find our way no matter the path, because with the right mindset, there's no barrier too big. There's no obstacle that's too large for us to be able to overcome. So let's reshape our minds and continue to take the steps towards unlocking the success and the goals that we have for ourselves.